Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. We've got a race tomorrow, so I'm just going to try and get the GPS on. Couldn't help myself and open it before I showed you, but I've loaded the maps and waypoints and the tracks on it. So let's just try and see if we can install it, and then a little bit of packing, and then we're out for the race tomorrow. I'll just quickly show you the parts that have arrived so far. So this is the correct spanner. Motion Pro, the correct one. You can see it's got 6 sides. I'm not even going to open it now because I don't need it. I think this is from RAM. My brain. So this is what we're going to fit on tonight. Little motorbike clamp, short arm, and a Montana mount. That's basically what we want to get on tonight. I just bought an extra one of these just in case it fits the other Montana mount that I've got. So I've got a marine mount. So later when I have my tower, I'm quite keen to try the marine mount on the tower. But we'll see. For now, I actually just want to use the powered part of the mount. So we're going to take that little section off, and we're going to put that one on. So that little ram mount will go on the back there, if that makes sense. And then that's how you release it. But this is where the Montana will clip into. All looks good. And then I'll wire this up and see if we can get some power onto it for the race, so I don't worry about batteries. Quickly, very quickly. So, looks like Ram have redeemed themselves. This mount came with some mounting hardware. 4 screws or set screws, but no nuts. So let's go see if we've got some nuts. You won't believe it, I found 4 M5 nuts. So the Garmin holder is designed for an M4 and the RAM is designed for an M5. I think I'm going to draw those out 5mm just to make them have a bigger set screw, so that they are stronger, if that makes sense. And drill it out to 5.5. Luckily I bought a set and I have a 5.5. This is why you should not work in the dark, because now I didn't see that there were like rubber grommets here, because these have got a little steel bush inside a rubber grommet, so it won't vibrate. Now who knows which way around it's going to go, back in. Oh, really, just irritating. Looks like I haven't done too much damage, just enough damage. Don't work in the dark. I don't think it'll ever quite be the same, but it's good enough. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Now we need 4mm. M4, baby. You know what happened, right? Not long enough for a nut to be on the back. Let's hope they work. You want to come with? So you won't believe it, but it's an 11. My word, what a palaver, but hey, it looks good. Let's see what it looks like on the box. So come have a closer look here. Garmin's here, cable at the back there, runs down here. You can't even see it now, there it is. Running inside, this one over here. Runs inside, all the way to the back, then I'll hook it up to the battery. They're gonna have to both be yellow, because that's what I've got. Done for tonight. See you in the morning.